Hello guys, welcome to So and So. My name is Xavier. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this headline across that President Ibrahim Traore, that's the transitional president of Burkina Faso, has scrapped school fees for all students from basic school to university, right? Okay, that news is actually not correct. It's fake news. The real news here is that, ECOWAS is 50 years of age. The Economic Community of West African States is 50 years old. The launch has happened in Ghana on Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, right? That is the day that they launched it. Before the launch, Foreign Affairs Minister of Ghana, Honorable Okujedo Ablakwa, sent an invitation to all those Sahel nations, that is Mali, Niger, and Burkina Faso, to be present at the launch. But they were not able to make it. They sent a delegation to the team. Now, during that launch ceremony in Accra, that is Accra International Conference Center, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, has offered scholarship to 1,000 students in the entire ECOWAS bloc to further the education in the universities in Ghana. Let me break it down. So 1,000 students will be given scholarship, and those students will be across the West African bloc to come to Ghana and further the education in Ghanaian university. That is the free scholarship, or that's the scholarship being offered by the Ghanaian government and the President John Dramani Mahama to these people. So the news about Ibrahim Traore scrapping school fees for students from basic school to the university is actually not true. But it's not also that Ibrahim Traore is not doing anything in Burkina Faso. He's actually doing a lot in education, but his main focus is actually towards agriculture and agribusinesses. We know of the factories that he's building to process tomato, the coke factories, and a lot of processing factories. Burkina Faso is a hub for agriculture. The hardworking people produce a lot of agri products for the entire ECOWAS bloc. Now, as they left, we know that ECOWAS is actually struggling to match up to their agricultural productions. The news about Ibrahim Traore scrapping school fees is not true, but the news about 1,000 scholarships to students across West African bloc is true. Let's hear this.
Let us position our sub-region ECOWAS not only as a political and economic bloc, but as a diplomatic anchor for the continent, a model of integration, dialogue, and peaceful coexistence. To mark this moment and strengthen regional bonds, Ghana is offering 1,000 scholarships to tertiary students from across the ECOWAS sub-region to study in our universities. This is not just a gesture, it is an act of solidarity. It is a bridge to a future where our young people will grow up seeing each other not as foreigners, but as partners. Excellencies, as we look to the next 50 years, let unity and solidarity lead us. Let that be our guide on how we respond to insecurity, how we manage our diversity, and how we build our prosperity together. ECOWAS must remain a forum for listening. It must be a space for healing, a home for visionary African-led solidarity and diplomacy. Ghana reaffirms its unwavering commitment to the ECOWAS vision and to the values of dialogue, peace, and partnership that sustain it. Long live ECOWAS, long live West African solidarity, and I thank you for your kind attention. May I now invite the President of Liberia, the Prime Minister of Togo, the Vice President of Gambia, special envoys of heads of state, representatives of heads of state present, the former President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and the ECOWAS Commission President to join us in the unveiling of the logo for the ECOWAS 50th anniversary celebration. I thank you.
All right, so that is the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, announcing the scholarship at the launch of 50 years of Economic Community of West Africa State being launched in Accra International Conference Center, capital city of the Republic of Ghana. Thank you, Mr. President, for this scholarship. We do appreciate it, and we hope that a student across the West Africa sub-region will make good use of this great opportunity being offered them. Thank you. This is also so. My name is Xavier. For now, we're out.